everyone, my name is Miss Alyssa and I'd like to welcome you all to this month's virtual Little Wonders and Nature Detectives craft demonstration video. Now the theme for the month of May is Masters of Disguise, and we are learning all about camouflage and animals that are amazing at it. So the craft that we're making in today's video has to do with a creature that is so great at blending into its environment that it can pretty much hide in plain sight. This animal is the octopus, and the craft that we are making today is this windsock octopus. Let's go ahead and do a quick material check, and then we'll go ahead and get started. The materials that you will need to make your craft are a large piece of red construction paper with 3 holes cut out on one side, some black tissue paper, some smaller red pieces of construction paper. You're going to need about 8 of these, 3 pieces of string, 2 googly eyes, and some materials that you will need that were not included in your craft kit are a glue stick and also some crayons.
If at any point during this video you need to pause or rewind, you are more than welcome to do so. And also, make sure you have an adult to help you.
The first thing that we're going to do is take some crayons and draw our suckers onto our octopus's tentacles. Next, we are going to take our large red piece of construction paper and lay it flat on our table. Now it's time to glue on our octopus's tentacles. So we are going to put some glue at the end of our octopus's tentacle, and then we are going to stick it onto the octopus's head, which is going to be this part. And we're just going to line them up going down. There you go. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 octopus tentacles. Next, we are going to take our black tissue paper and put it in some spots in between the tentacles. And this is going to be like octopus ink. And we are going to glue it the same way we did the tentacles. So put a little bit of glue on the end. And we are going to stick it on. But instead of putting it on the front this side, I think we are going to put it on the back. There you go. And continue to do so with your other black pieces of tissue paper. Next, we are going to take our googly eyes and give our octopus some eyes. And these are peel-off googly eyes, so you can go ahead and peel the sticker off the back and stick them on wherever you'd like. There you go. Next, we are going to glue one end of the octopus's head to the other. And we are going to do this by putting some glue on one side. We are putting glue on the other side also to make sure it sticks together nicely. So then you should be able to connect the ends of your octopus's head, and then you are left with something like this. And we're going to give it some moments to dry. Next, we are going to take our string, and this is where you are going to need some help. You are going to take the string and you are going to put it through a hole. There are 3 pieces of string and 3 holes, so it's 1 piece of string for each hole. And then we're going to just tie a little knot. And leave it alone for now. Then we're going to take another piece of string for another hole. And do the same thing. And again, another piece of string for another hole. Then we are going to take all 3 pieces of string, connect them together, so hold them together, you can pinch it like that, and then tie a little knot. And like I said, ask an adult for help for this part. And then, now that you have your knot, you should be able to hold and hang your octopus. Alrighty everyone, that is going to wrap up this month's craft demonstration video. I hope you all enjoyed making your Octopus Windsock. Make sure that you hang it outside in a nice spot where there would be a good breeze, maybe in a tree or something like that. And that is going to wrap it up for this month's video. So this is Miss Alyssa signing off for now. Bye!